Hi, welcome to Kaijo Tutorials. Today we're going to be starting a new series. Today we're going to be building a tip calculator. You may wonder why a tip calculator is a generic idea. Well, we're putting a little twist on it, and I'll be now demoing what that tutorial series will be about. Then once I've demoed it, I will explain to you what you'll be learning in this series. Let's get started with the demo. So you can see here that we have three text fields. We have different ways of navigating it. You could click into the text field to navigate to it. If, for example, I needed to go to subtotal, I can also press sub and go to that spot. I can press C to clear that field and put, for example, 100. Then once I've press 100, added 100, and I'm satisfied that it's 3 persons and that I have a tip of 25%, then I can just select the printer icon. Once I select the printer icon, it's now stored as a receipt. I can click on the top left-hand corner to be able to see that past transaction. Once I select it, I'll be able to see where this transaction was taking place, how many persons, how much was spent, etc. You also have the ability to set your own preferences, so you can do so by going to settings, and then you can select a different state. So for example, California at 7.25%, and I could change the default amount that I would like to tip. So I could say 20% and save this, and it will be applied here. The app also supports dark mode. Now, we're going to talk through what it is that we will be learning in this tutorial series. So if you look to the, notice that it has a whole lot of, in terms of the project structure, there's a lot going on here. Some of the things that you learn in this series include Swift SwiftUI, core data, core location, MapKit. We'll also explore creating reusable components using Viewbuilders and other components, like for example the buttons. There is just one implementation of it that has different variants. You'll be also learning how to integrate UIKit into SwiftUI, because for example the text fields, some of the functionalities are not inside of natively supported inside of SwiftUI. So what we had to do is create it in UIKit programmatically and interface it with SwiftUI. You'll be also learning about localization. In our case, we have localized it to about several languages, including English, Spanish, German, French, Chinese, etc. Variants of Chinese. We are also going to be learning about charts as well, and using the MVVM architecture. There are different variants and styles different persons choose, but I chose to use MVVM. This is a production-ready system. There is a version of the system called Tip Pals that I have placed on the store, where you can go on the store and check it out. Series, I'm not sure how many parts will be divided into, but we'll be going as detailed as possible, so you'll be able to have a really good portfolio item. If you want the source code, it will also be available on my Gumroad. So you can get the complete source code if you don't want to wait and you want to tweak it to be yours. Please like and subscribe to follow this tutorial series. If you like this kind of series and kind of videos, I'll try to do even more of them. All right, so let's get started with this journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.